Hello guys, welcome to Homepage Diaries, and today I want us to talk about a very important topic, a topic that affects us in our day in, day out lifestyle. It's either directly or indirectly linked to how our feeding lifestyle is concerned. Today I want us to talk about the GI. GI in full is the glycemic index or glycemic index as per how you would choose to pronounce. Now, the GI is a system rating foods containing carbohydrates and shows how they quickly affect our blood sugar level, either consumed independently or when incorporated with other foods. Now, it ranks the foods from 0 to 100, or rather the carbohydrates from 0 to 100. Now, foods with the higher GI are rapidly digested and therefore can cause a large fluctuation on blood sugar. And the ones that with the low GI are moderately or either slowly absorbed to the body, and therefore their effect is a little bit gradual. Now, this GI is categorized in 3 categories. 1, we have the low GI, 2, we have the medium GI, and 3, we have the high GI. Now, when you talk about the low GI, it means that in a scale of 0 to 100, it ranges from 0 to around 55. And then when you talk about the medium GI, to the scale of 0 and 100, it ranges from 56 to 69. And then when you talk about high GI, it ranges from 70 and above. Now, you might be wondering why we are talking about carbohydrates here and there. Now, first of all, we have to know what carbohydrates are. And carbohydrates are the sugars and starches in our foods. Basically, it is the sugars and the starches in our foods. And they have a direct impact in our blood sugar levels. Those are carbohydrates. Now, factors affecting GI, if at all it's a fruit, we might talk of if the fruit is ripe, more ripe, or raw. So these are some of the factors that affect the GI, for example, in fruits. Now, the bottom line is when you combine different fruits with higher GI, it means that the sugar level is about to be spiked very high. So what should be happening is when you want to eat a high GI fruit, you incorporate it with a low GI fruit. That is when you will have balanced the sugar levels. But what we should know is that all fruits contain sugars, and we should try to consume them minimally, especially if you are trying to watch your diet, or if you are ill, or if you are on medication.